Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Tusk Aluminum Skid Plate on your Kawasaki KLX110. Now with this, it's a serious upgrade over the stock skid plate. It's 3/16 inch aluminum. You've got way more coverage to protect your engine and your frame. Now with this, you do have some options when you go to order it. So you can get two different colors. You can get black or aluminum, and you also have an option to get some foam to help keep mud out from between the skid plate and your engine. So with all that being said, it's a simple install. Let's go ahead and get started. The tools you're going to need to do this job are 8, 10, and 12 millimeter sockets or T-handles. I also have a T40 Torx bit. Now to start out, we need to remove the stock skid plate. So I'm starting on the bottom with my 12 millimeter socket. And I'll remove both of those bolts, then move up to the top and use my 8 millimeter T-handle to remove those. To get the new skid plate on, we need to install the mounting bracket. There's going to be a spacer on this left side of the bike. The longer of the two bolts is going to go through that spacer. And we're going to leave all of this hardware loose until we have everything mounted up, and then we'll do a final tightening. Now on the right side, I'll install the shorter M6 bolt. Now to mount the skid plate, you've got 4 M8 bolts. The longer bolts are for the back, and they're going to be using the spacers in between the skid plate and frame. The front are the shorter bolts, and again, they're coming through the skid plate, through that mounting bracket, and then you've got the nylock nuts on top of that bracket. Now pay attention when you do this. You have a vent line on each side of the bike, and you don't want to pinch those under your bracket, so make sure you tuck them back or get them tied up out of the way. Now that we have everything loosely installed, we can go back through and tighten everything down. And for this hardware on the bottom, we're just using our T40 Torx bit and that 13 millimeter combo wrench on those nuts. So that's all it takes to install the Tusk aluminum skid plate on your Kawasaki KLX110. You're going to be getting a lot more coverage with this, and again, it's way more durable. So if you need one, you can find these on our website or just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. Now, if you want to see more helpful content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.